5. Okay. The storyline of I'm Not Big Bird illustrates the daring exploration of narratives currently happening in Filipino cinema. Now, how does playing Luis differ from your past roles? And what aspects of the story inspire you to explore more similar projects in the future?
Hirap nun ah. Well, maybe I think insecurities of himself. Ganun.
Okay.
Parang, what he's going through and, just accepting who he is.
It's more him no? Sa sarili niya eh.
Yeah,
Dati
yeah.
yung past projects mo, it's
more
your
outward
relationship
yung mga
with the
relations
girl
with
eh.
others and the problem, the situation and everything. Ito, it's sa sarili mo lang talaga ma-discover yan eh.
Right.
So, yeah, I think that's the difference of it. It's more internal than anything else. Kahit nagkakagulo na sa paligid mo, but mas magulo talaga yung sa loob mo eh. So parang, you might seem crazy all around, but talagang pinakamagulo is what's inside eh. So I
Right.
think that's the thing that I think.
For Blacksheep and Anima, parang do you agree na talagang right now the industry is parang really exploring different narratives na yung hindi na katulad dati na may mga formula and go ahead.
Yeah, I agree. Kasi I think yung last MMFF, it's a testament to that question because iba-iba yung pelikula, iba-iba yung timpla, but we saw the moviegoers going into the cinemas and not just watching one, but watching all the movies of the Metro Manila Film Festival. So that, as filmmakers, artists alike, writers, that gives us inspiration na lalong gumawa pa ng mga pelikula na gugustuhin panoorin ng mga manonood natin at yung susuportahan ng mga Pilipino.
Okay.
Yeah, I think with what Chari said, no, I think now more than ever, sobrang gandang gawin at perfect na maglabas ng mga ganitong pelikula. Not just with us, kasi 'di ba, yung mga tao ngayon nagbabago na rin talaga yung preferences nila and ang bilis kasi ang daming. So what we can do talaga is to offer them variety. And I'm just really grateful and sometimes I still can't believe it na ipapalabas namin 'to. So, totoo talaga. As in, kaya, when we...
Wala nang back out ha?
Yeah.
Okay ha?
Tsaka pati sa MediaCon, sino ba mag-aakala na pinag-uusapan natin yung mga ganitong bagay, di ba? So,
naninibago po ako.
yeah. Binibilang ko nga ako ilang beses ka napapaganon. But, of course, I'd like to thank our bosses, no? Kasi,
Right.
inallow nila eh. When it was offered to us talaga, at pinag-uusapan namin, sila din, wala rin silang hesitation. So, I'm really grateful for that. And of course, the audience, na open sila na manood ng ganito. Hindi tayo sure kung mauulit pa natin, kaya guys, panoorin nyo talaga kasi...
Grabe naman.
When
No,
you-
I think I think the pandemic kasi nung na-expose tayo mga Pinoy sa foreign programs, through streaming.
Yeah.
Parang na-raise yung standards sa atin na, ay gusto naman namin ng ganitong klaseng mga kwento, yung mga out of the box, di ba, Ken? Do you agree?
Sobrang kakaiba talaga
Yun din
ng
kasi yung
kwento.
sinabi mo sa akin nung yung when you were doing the comeback in ABS, our last conversation.
Yeah. Do
Na-
something different. Something out of the
Yes.
box na hindi typical na ginagawa po dito.
Correct.
Yeah.
Okay, this is for Kukay. Go ahead,
I
Lilith.
think because we have to give comedy its shot. Kasi bihira na rin ang all-out comedy. So, gusto namin, yung tatawa ka lang ng tatawa, kaya dapat sa sine nyo panoorin. Kasi malungkot tumawa mag-isa sa bahay.
Yes.
Hindi, saka masarap manood ng may kahampasan.
Oo,
Di
talaga.
ba?
Correct.
Kasi di mo
Yes,
kakilala.
ganun
Ay,
siya.
sorry, diba?
Huwag naman yun.
Sampal ka pa ulit.
Lahat ng shows ko live. Tapos sobrang saya kapag puno yung room, di ba?
Right.
Yeah.
May energy na nagpapalit-palitan.
Right. Uy, thanks for your schedule, ha?
Kayo nga pala.
Thank you.
may hard exit pala ako. Ngayon.
Nang gantong oras.
Pag stop at...
hard stop na ako.
I love
5 star
Red.
to sa Goldwyn. Naku, ang daming manonood.
Oo
dito.
nga.
Pag 5 star sa Goldwyn.